A very big breaking news for all the students of NIT Srinagar. Students from the NIT Srinagar will get direct admissions to PhD program at IIT Delhi. This is a part of IIT Delhi's initiative to welcome meritorious students from the NITs across the country. NIT Srinagar students with a CGPA of 8 at the end of their 6th semester will be eligible to apply for a project in summer or winter and complete their 4th year at the IIT Delhi. After that, they will be considered for an early admission to IIT Delhi PhD programs. The requirement of GATE is waived off since the student will enter IIT Delhi with a minimum CGPA of 8. This scheme will also help NIT Srinagar students to enhance their chances of qualifying for the Prime Minister's Research Fellowship for PhD at IIT Delhi. Students will go through a rigorous selection process and, subject to their continued excellence, will be considered for early admissions to PhD programs at IIT Delhi. Meritorious students of NIT Srinagar can now come to IIT Delhi in their final year and continue for their PhD after their graduation. An official statement said, during the stay of NIT Srinagar students in IIT Delhi as visiting students, they would not be charged any academic fees since they will be paying the same to their parent institution. The students will be provided on and off-campus hostel accommodation on a paid basis during their 1-year stay. IIT Delhi and NIT Srinagar have signed an MOU for collaboration on academic and research activities in the areas of mutual interest, including collaborative research works, joint supervision of PhD students, joint workshop and seminars, etc. Professor Rakesh Sehgal, director of NIT Srinagar, said, "This will augment the research facilities of our PG students, research scholars and faculty. This collaborative effort will lead to a paradigm shift in finding novel and innovative solutions to the problem faced by the industry in the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir in particular. This collaboration is in line with the National Education Policy or NEP 2020 and will help in the generation of new knowledge in the frontier areas of science and technology." So I hope this news will help you all in getting admissions to IIT Delhi for PhD program. And if you have any questions regarding this matter, then feel free to ask us in comment section below. And for more updates and career tips, do subscribe to our YouTube channel.